How to manage emergency fund inside of YNAB. If you set a target to create and manage a emergency fund inside of YNAB so that you can have a sufficient funds in case of emergencies, you can easily manage and track these funds through the help of YNAB. So the first thing you need to do is create a target for your emergency fund. So from the home page, what you can do is head over to the edit section. Inside of the edit plan section, you can create a separate category which can be called a emergency fund. So tap on the three dotted line, tap on new category group and name this emergency fund. Now once you've done that, what you can do is add in a new subcategory. You can also name this the same as emergency fund, or if you like, you can name it something else. Now, once you've created a subcategory inside of emergency fund, what you can do is tap on add target so that you know the amount of money that you need to put aside each month, whether it be each month or each week for this emergency fund. So set in a target for, let's say, each month you set aside 200 pounds or whatever that may be. And you can also add in a due date by when you need to add in budget or money to your emergency fund, and then tap on save target. Emergency fund target now has been created. This not only works as a reminder but also as a way that you can carry out your transactions. Now once you've created the target for the emergency fund, you can allocate a fixed amount every month and also move extra funds from other categories if you're ahead. The rule for emergency fund is do not spend it unless it's an emergency such as medical emergency or you lose your job or it is something else. What you can also do in terms of emergency fund is add in a separate account so that all of the budget of that account goes to the emergency fund only. If you head over to the account section, you can see all of the accounts that are added inside of YNAB. You can add in a separate bank account or a debit card so that the funds that you have inside of this particular account goes into your emergency fund only. So that's the way that you can manage your emergency fund inside of YNAB. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video to be helpful. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next one.